Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the COWSAR ice maker and the HiCOZY countertop ice maker. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and user feedback to help you determine which model is the best fit for your ice making needs. We'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and see how they stack up against each other in terms of price, efficiency, and design. When it comes to price, the COWSAR ice maker is the more affordable option at $89, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the HiCOZY countertop ice maker is priced at $119, which may be a consideration for those looking for a more premium product. However, the price difference reflects the features and performance each model offers. Both ice makers boast impressive ice production capabilities. The COWSAR can produce 26.5 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, while the HiCOZY offers a similar output of 26 pounds per day. Both models can create ice in just 6 minutes, making them efficient choices for quick ice needs. However, the COWSAR's slightly higher production capacity may appeal to those who require more ice for gatherings or events. User ratings provide insight into the performance and satisfaction levels of each product. The COWSAR ice maker has a rating of 4.4 out of 5 based on over 3,900 reviews, indicating a generally positive reception. On the other hand, the HiCOZY countertop ice maker boasts a higher rating of 4.8 out of 5, albeit from a smaller pool of 91 reviews. This suggests that while the HiCOZY may have fewer reviews, it has garnered strong approval from its users. In conclusion, both the COWSAR and HiCOZY ice makers offer excellent features and performance for their respective price points. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with a slightly higher ice production capacity, the COWSAR is a great choice. However, if you prefer a model with a higher user rating and the option to select ice size, the HiCOZY may be worth the investment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.